Oh, it was transferred. It was your original. It was, that's the confusion, but it was transferred to Port County. Gotcha. So these first. Yes. Okay. Yes. Yeah. Okay. My good one was like from like. What is it? He's got all. One. Your one. Oh, yes. You know, you can do it in the right side, so it's there. On the leads, for example, you just have to change the date. I'm just look at it specifically and it's actually. It's one of those really, that's gonna show you from the second half of this. I figured it out. Yes, I have it, I'll test to approach it, but I'm confident.
Here, I'll trade you. Yeah.
Is there a missionary? Yes. Oh.
Hey, wow.
Just want to say hi, I know the
You
person
floating?
that's going around, helping out
Thanks.
for us, so.
Yeah.
I'm checking.
Just take the day off, man. Just go.
Good to see you.
You too. Thanks for coming to help. Are you ready? Damn it. Story. On Palacio, do you mind? Do you have the cause number?
Oh, it's plastic.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, it's good. You already know. You already know.
Oh. Do you want it in any square or just, a note?
Say it again.
If you want it in the middle there, just a note put in.
Just put a note. Yeah. Whatever's easier for you. Victoria, you want to go through the list?
Page 2, both defendants, those over here, one has two bonds posted.
Okay, 5,002 on the top. And then on the bottom, 2,501. Then I'll do a bail order on the zone.
Which is listed on the police, so we're gonna clear that doesn't mean it's like. The grandmothers are the two ladies there. Finish up. You got it. Yeah. Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Then I'll want to stay.
Bottom of page 3, I'm assuming is next, right?
Yes, there's some page 4.
Oh my God, that many K. Oof, oof. So 25,000 and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 25,005 on all three. Come on. Are you ready? No? Got it. Okay. Please, just the last name of your client.
Last number is Softa. Call number is 259
Okay,
5721. Sorry.
okay.
Yes, right. It's David Lasso. It's a situation in which the alleged incident took place 8 months before, so in February, March of
January,
25.
or sorry, December.
No, that's when it was filed. It was filed. He made a report 8 months after.
Judge, we need a PSR for the original.
Is the defendant here?
No, he's not trying.
Uh-huh.
I was seeing what, I was trying to get a response in, and if so, arrange for him to come in and see if you would set bonds.
I'm not one that will do anything until they get here,
Okay,
because I can't do anything.
okay, what's
Like,
your
I'm not
process?
gonna-
Do you have to come with a bondsman, or how do you?
Just have them come and then we can talk. I'd like their position. We need a PSR. I need to know what kind of criminal history they got, you know.
Understood.
I need a fly swatter, I swear.
Not a problem.
Just bring him in,
He
we'll
has an
talk. It's
active
not a big
warrant,
deal.
So he's trying to see what, to get his bond together and make sure he's.
We never set a bond until they get here.
Understood. When you litmus test, you got a ballpark when you got together, and you think about the range you.
It's not anything crazy,
Okay.
you know? I mean, do you see any criminal history?
I just ran it. He was arrested for deadly conduct in 2009, but the charge was rejected, and then it looks like there was a burglary of auto, from Louise. Lawrence County, and a criminal mischief. But I have no.
Well, the 2010. 03. No, 20.
It's not gonna be crazy, but you're probably gonna need a bond today because I can't give him a PR bond.
Understood. All right, thank you, Russell.
Yeah.
Y'all good.
If you guys can agree on something, it'll make it a lot easier,
All right.
you know, so. She's visiting though, so you're gonna talk to par one then, yeah.
Who's the time secretary?
He was a reduction.
Oh, yeah.
Hey,
Hey, Judge.
come on up,
Got me in a few minutes.
okay? What's his last name?
Escobedo?
Is he on docket or no?
It's a trial case for next week.
Got it, okay.
Sorry to come in late. I had a hustle.
I'm not concerned about you, I'm concerned about him coming in shorts. Like he's coming to the beach or something.
And he's working.
This is a courthouse.
Yeah.
Have a good weekend.
Thank you for helping. Barbara, on that trial case, do you have the call number by chance?
You know, so I was, you know, go to a store where it's some up where they just early, still here. You know, go to one, and
Really?
yes,
You also have court to go to.
I'm at where it's like the Thursday.
This isn't Burger King where you get your way, man.
Question, Judge.
Shoot.
So this is a DWI second being reduced to DWI first. First DWI is like 25 years old. Our concern is that it's going to trigger a suspension, a driver's license suspension. And
It's going to.
it's going to, yes.
It's just, right,
Yeah, that is what it is.
sure.
But, so he's going to apply for an occupational, and he already has the interlock in his personal vehicle, so that's not a problem, but he does drive a mail truck.
That's a problem.
Yeah, so what can we do about that?
I have no idea. But,
Well, the court could authorize him to drive his work vehicle without an interlock, right?
I mean, I'd have to look at his driving record. I want to see how he's been on bond. You know, has he had violations? And I mean, I guess we'll take a look at everything concerning. Because I don't know. I don't remember anything about it.
Okay,
So I'd have to, we don't just guarantee and just
Sure,
sign
I
everything
understand.
that comes by. I mean, we take a look at everything and, you know, the other thing is this, is that what are you guys wanting to do? Probation?
it's a time served,
Well, no, not on the second.
even if the first is 25 years old?
Correct. I will not.
Okay,
Regardless, even if you wanted an occupational license, he would have to do treatment as a condition of the occupational license, which in that case, what we would always do is have them do a TRAS. Based on the TRAS, that's what we would put in the occupational license if he wanted one. The laws
Okay.
changed that they have to do treatment. Normally, someone will do probation or they'll do the PTI program where they are doing some kind of treatment where that will suffice for purposes of the occupational license. But on a second,
okay, I mean, it
So-
may be that we just have to keep it on the trial docket.
sure,
Um,
if you want probation, then
Yeah.
did you offer probation?
I mean, and I think that was previously the offer. I mean, and if they're offering a time survey, I would presume that they would also offer a probation.
Sure.
Yeah, we had a probation officer.
Yeah.
Yeah, and for purposes of the occupational license, what he would be doing in the probation would suffice for purposes of the treatment for the occupational license.
Okay, let me check with him, Judge. The only thing is, I don't think that I can try the case next week. I've got a felony that's set on Friday. And then a hearing that's set on Tuesday, and I've just got a lot of, I'm moving offices and
What kind of hearing do you have set?
it's a suppression hearing.
What's the cause number?
257
Okay,
9431.
I'm not giving him an occupation. I mean, he's had multiple bond violations. And so if you want an occupational license, I probably would, but I would 100% require an interlock in the vehicle. He's had multiple bond violations.
Okay,
It's just, you got to understand that he's DWI, suspended license, DWI, bond violation. I don't want to put my name on a license unless I know it's secure, because
course.
if there's something that goes out there and happens, I just don't, I want to prevent that from happening. If you want to keep it on the trial docket, I'm more than happy to, but I don't want to play a game where we do a reset and then they got to prepare for trial, then we got to do it, and then you want to plead guilty on the day of trial. No. If you want a continuance, I'm happy to give it to you. We give you one,
Mhm.
but if we do it, we are going to go to trial.
Okay.
So
All right,
we'll
let
not
me talk
accept.
to him, let's see what he wants to do
Sure.
and make sure there's no,
Yeah.
no back and forth.
Yeah.
Okay.
For what it's worth, I understand that one was so long ago, but with age, you get older, you get wiser, you learn things, and yet we have another DWI and bond violation after bond violation. The last thing we want is him to graduate to felony status.
Agreed. Yeah. Okay. Thanks, Judge.
Okay, let me know. Hi,
I have a bait on your docket.
what's the last name?
Bait, BATE.
Okay,
We're doing a 151 transfer, over to civil commitment, the order and the transportation order, should be in your.
got it. I'll sign it now.
Thank you.
Okay. Thanks, Sebastian.
Judge, counsel's on Zoom.
Yeah, I see.
Okay.
I lit. Mr. Antalan,
He has page 16, Robert.
Good morning, Your Honor.
good morning. Come up, Mr. Yarbrough. I know that you just want to get in and get out, but we are at the mercy of the lawyers. You ask for a court-appointed lawyer. We acquiesce to you. We wait on the lawyers to get here. That's what we were waiting on. We're not keeping you here just for the sake of keeping you here. It's you wanted a lawyer. We are at the mercy of waiting for them. Do you understand? Yes or no?
Yes.
Your other option is you can go hire a lawyer. So you tell me, you can stick with the lawyer or you can go hire a lawyer. But I'm going to tell you now, Mr. Yarbrough, we don't play games here. There's a certain way that we conduct business. There's a certain amount of respect that we like. And I'm going to tell you this is not a revolving door. If you miss court, if you pick up a new case, I will revoke your bond. I'm not going to give you another PR bond and you will be stuck like Chuck. Do you understand? I'm not asking for much. I want my community safe. Do you have a cell phone? Etch, do you mind getting the number so we can? Or,
Judge, June 16 or 17?
Mr. Antalan, did you hear that?
Yes, Your Honor. June 16th, please.
Okay.
The bond condition that we've placed on him is he's not allowed to go back to any TJ Maxx. I'm going to
Understood.
chat you the phone number now. His
Thank
cell
you.
phone number. Give me 1 second. This is Mr. Antalan, who's been appointed to represent you. It is your responsibility to stay in touch with him. If he tells me he cannot get a hold of you, I will revoke your bond. His number will also be on the paperwork and on the reset. So you need to get a hold of him within 24 hours of you guys leaving here. If he tells me he cannot get a hold of you, do you understand? Come on.
Get the bond.
Yeah, they're ready to be signed too.
Yeah, what's your name, sir? Sorry.
Yarbrough.
You got it? Yeah.
Hi,
Question, Judge.
shoot.
Would you accept a probation on a DWI first?
Of course.
Okay.
The only thing that I think is certainly inappropriate is when you continue to pick it up and then it continues to be the proverbial time served. I mean, it's just, you know what I mean? But other than that,
Yeah,
really.
okay.
Your Honor, I have that phone number. Thank you.
Okay. We sent them out. So I guess, do you have anyone else?
No, sir, Your Honor. Thank you.
Okay, good luck.
Thank you.
Thanks.